You can speak English?
Yes, I can speak.
Can you introduce yourself?
Oh, okay. My name is Karyuni. I am 40 years old. I am married. I have one daughter. I am Muslim.
Okay. How many years you work in Hong Kong?
I had experience in Hong Kong 16 years.
16 years.
Yes.
OK。你係咪識少少廣東話？
係啊，我識廣東話。
好啊。你識得煮啲乜嘢啊？
我可以煮煮餸、關湯、煲湯。炒飯、蒸魚。
煲啲乜嘢湯啊？
紅蘿蔔湯、牛腩湯、魚湯、芫茜湯。
好。菜咧，你識啲咩菜咧？係咪可以自己買餸啊？
我可以啊，我仲可以買嘴生。
仲有啲咩菜啊？
西蘭花、脆心、西蘭花嗰啲同埋。
識唔識油麥菜啊？
有，識啊。
識啊，好。咁你每一日幾點起身㗎？
我起身7點。7點。
Okay, so can you tell me your daily duties?
Yeah, every day I wake up, then clean outside the living room, and then I prepare for all the children go to school, and then I bring him go to school. Then after come back and clean and cook him, and then I pick up the school and give him lunch for number 2 the children because I take care of the children.
Okay, so what about dinner?
Yeah, I cook all for the children and also for all people.
Okay, how many persons will have dinner?
4 persons.
Oh, okay. So, do you afraid cat and dog?
I afraid with dog, but I not afraid with cat.
Okay, cat is okay.
Yes.
Dog is not okay.
No,
I see. Thank you so much. Okay.
You're welcome.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.